Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, how are you? I know, though you are passing a critical time, I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Dear students, I will introduce myself. I am Ashud Jaman, Assistant Teacher English, Khashnawal High School and College, Shiraz Khan Munshiganj. Dear students, before going to my class, I would like to tell you something. It is very important for you and you should be attentive to hear my lesson. Okay, dear students, you should watch online television class and also Shankhlok online television classes and our schools online classes too. You should watch regularly our online classes. Today I am going to discuss about my topic. My topic is about verb. It is very important for grammar section. Okay, my topic is verb. Okay, it is I have taken my class about for class 8 to 10. So dear students, listen to my class and look at the board what I am going to say. Okay. Dear students, first of all, we will know what is verb. Verb is called doing word or living word. What are its functions? There are three types of functions. Actually, verb is mainly given us by three conceptions. About three conceptions. Now I am going to show you what does a person or thing do. Number 2, what is done by a person or thing. Number 3, how is a person or thing. Dear students, now we will know question number 1. What does a person think or do? Dear students, for example, here we can show you, for example, the man sings a song. A song is sung by a person. So here the man sings finite verb and a song object. Number 2, what is done by a person or thing. For example, we can say rice is eaten by me, him or her. Okay, question number 3, how is a person or thing. Suppose, for example, we can say the man is intelligent. So here is finite verb. Now we will know classification of verbs. Okay, dear students, look at the whiteboard and listen to my class very carefully. Don't try to see others. Okay, look at the board. Dear students, there are mainly two types of verb. Finite verb and non-finite verb. Okay, so now we will know what is finite verb. Finite word comes from Latin word finitus. It is totally controlled by another person. Now I will tell you again for your better understanding. Finite word comes from Latin word finitus. It is totally controlled by another person. Finite verb is a verb which verb is change of formation according to subject, number and person. It is really expressed meaningful sentence. Okay, for example, we can say Kamal writes a letter. Dear students, look at the board very carefully. Here Kamal, subject, third person and singular number. Here we have to use here verb as from. There are two types of from in present tense. One is based from and another is as from. If subject is third person singular number, we have to use here as from. If the subject is third person plural, we have to use here based from. Now, for example, number 1, Kamal writes a letter. Here, Kamal is third person singular and writes at present form of the verbs and base as from. So, subject, third person singular, verb and object. Here, number 2, example number 2, they write a letter. They write a letter. So, here the subject write verb 1 and a letter object. Here the dear students, here they, it is third person plural and so it is third person plural, person number third person. Now we have to use here base form of the verb. So we can here they write a letter. The third person plural write present form of the verb, especially base form. Okay, dear students, characteristics. Now we will know characteristics of finite verb. Okay, dear students, follow the board, and it is very important for you. First characteristic of finite verb. Number 1, finite verb is controlled by tense. Okay, dear students, it is totally always controlled by tense. Finite verb is changed according to subject, number and person. Okay, all auxiliary verbs are called finite verb. All auxiliary verbs are called finite verb. Number 4, without verb ing, 2 plus verb 1, verb past participle, another form of verb is called finite verb. Dear students, today I am going to discuss. I have been discussed my class about tense, about verb, and next class I will discuss about characteristics of finite verb and its explaining of finite verb. Dear students, I hope you are watching. If you watch my class very carefully, you will be able to understand about verb. If you don't understand it properly, as a teacher, you have to call me. I shall try my level best to teach you at any time. Dear students, be careful. Stay safe and remain safe. Stay home, remain safe. Thank you. Thank you very much.